Big development coming in the Pune bridge collapse tragedy. We are learning two tourists have been confirmed dead and several others are feared to have drowned after the bridge built over the Indrayani river in Pune collapsed. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has confirmed over 30 people has sustained injuries and there are many who are critical. What we are also being told is that there are several people who are feared to have drowned in this tragedy. There are at least over 38 people who've been rescued so far from the incident site, but we do understand the rescue operations are still underway. Well, the incident has been reported from Kundmala, which is a popular tourist destination that sees high footfall during the monsoon. Scores of tourists were on the bridge at the time of the collapse and they fell into the river. Some were reportedly swept away. However, we are yet to confirm the numbers. As per the Chief Minister, so far we know that 2 people have been confirmed dead in this unfortunate tragedy. Police, disaster relief workers, including the NDRF teams, are at the spot and the rescue is underway. Let's listen into what the police has to say, and also we have more reactions coming in from the rescue teams that are carrying out the rescue operations there at the site.
कुंडमाला करके जो प्लेस है वाटरफॉल के बाजू में, ये आयरन का ब्रिज था, पुराना डिलेपिडेटेड ब्रिज था, वो आज गिर गया है लगभग 3:30 से 3:45 बजे। और अब तक की जानकारी, प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन के तहत 2 लोगों की इसमें दुखद मौत हुई है और 6 से 7 लोग जिनको बचा गया है वो हॉस्पिटल में इलाज के लिए भेजे गए।
अभी यहाँ पे एक्चुअली कितने लोग यहाँ पे गिरे हुए हैं अभी तक तो कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन अभी तक 5-6 लोगों को यहाँ से रेस्क्यू किया गया है और भी कुछ लोग दबे हुए हैं। 2 लेडीज अभी निकाली गई है तुरंत, अभी भी रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन चालू है। 20-25 लोग होने की आशंका है यहाँ पर। तो हमको चैलेंज तो है कि वो ब्रिज कोलैप्स जो है उसके नीचे लोग फंसे हुए हैं, आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे, उसको निकालना अभी हमारे आगे एक चैलेंज है। अभी हमने गैस कटर मंगाया है और आगे जाके हम लोग कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Right now, 3 patients we have admitted in ICU, and 1 patient has been discharged on OPD basis.
Right.
Before that, we have received the call from ambulance department that there has been incidence of bridge collapse at Kundamala around 3 to 3:15 p.m. Okay, so we have received the patient from trauma ambulance, and accordingly we have assessed the patient, triaged the patient, and accordingly admitted the patient. And we have started the emergency treatment accordingly.
Okay, I think 2 patients have been admitted in ICU.
Yeah, 2 patients have been admitted in ICU, and 1 patient is in ward. 1 patient has been discharged on OPD basis.
All right, let's try and get more information about the situation on the ground. My colleague Revati Ingve is also not joining us on the broadcast. Revati, what can you tell us? What's happening there? We understand the rescue operations are still underway. What all can you tell us?
So the current updates given by the NDRF themselves, it says that 41 people in total have been rescued as of now, and as you rightly mentioned, that the rescue operation is still underway. A total of 20 ambulances have been deployed to the site of incident. Also, along with them, 2 teams of NDRF, also Pune Fire Brigade has reached the location with a rescue van and a rescue boat. Currently, 6 people are majorly injured, out of which 2 people are declared dead and other 4 are undergoing medical treatment at the nearest hospital. So this is the situation right now. So this incident, this mishap happened at around 4:30 p.m. Near Kundamala, which is a tourist place and has a high footfall during the monsoons. So on the bridge, which is a iron bridge, people were standing there clicking selfies, and as today is a weekend, people rushed there. But I would like to mention here that last year NDTV had reported about this this particular bridge, that this bridge is dangerous and it can be fatal, as the life of this bridge is not so long. But no one cared to repair the bridge, and now today we can see that this mishap has happened, in which 41 people were drowned. They are rescued at the moment. The rescue operations are underway, out of which 6 are majorly injured and rushed to the nearest hospital. 2 are declared dead. So it is also being said that more people can be rescued.
How many people were on the bridge at the time when the accident took place? How many people were on the bridge? What details about that?
According to the primary information, it is said that the bridge was loaded and the bridge couldn't hold the weight of people and the vehicles standing on the bridge. It has also come to the light. It is really very important to mention this point, that it has also come to light that before this incident happened, the bridge was shaking for 5 minutes, but no one responded to that and no one moved away from it. So around more than 50 people were standing there, and as I mentioned, people were there to click selfies. They were on a short vacation there, and this mishap has happened. So let's hope that there are no more there are no more casualties and people are safe out there.
Ajit Pawar has also said that the bridge was in a bad state, but nothing was done. I mean, no repair works were done, and also there were a number of people on the bridge along with the presence of several two-wheelers also on it, Revati. How old is this bridge?
Yeah, as I mentioned. As I mentioned earlier, the bridge couldn't hold the weight of people who were standing there, and also if you closely look at the visuals of the bridge is only accessible for two-wheelers. It is not accessible for any other vehicle such as four-wheeler or three-wheeler or any other vehicle rather than two-wheeler. But people were standing there. It couldn't hold the weight of the people and the vehicles, and as I mentioned, there were more than 50 people, and the bridge is around 40 years old. So even the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, he mentioned that this bridge was in not right condition, and this was also reported by NDTV. This was reported by every other social activist, but yet no action was taken by the local authorities. And today this mishap has happened where 41 people or more than that are drowned, and currently the rescue operation is underway by the villagers, by NDRF and by Pune Fire Brigade.
All right, Revati, you're telling us that this bridge was shaking for about 5 minutes before this tragedy unfolded. This is through eyewitnesses that we're learning. Why was nothing done? Maybe was it because of the number of people that were present on the bridge when this tragedy occurred? You must have spoken to eyewitnesses. What are they saying? Did they have no room, no space to leave when the bridge was already shaking for about 5 minutes, as you've told us?
So as I mentioned that the bridge was shaking for literally 5 minutes, no one bothered to communicate and move away from it. So usually what happens, there are some chances when a vehicle passes, this bridge shakes. So people were in a thought that this might be because of a vehicle passing by, but no one really realized that the bridge was about to collapse. People didn't realize that this shaking is actually an indication that the bridge was going to collapse, and as I mentioned earlier, that the bridge was in very bad condition. There was a board displayed that this is dangerous and it can collapse at any point of time, but there was no action taken, and now this incident has happened, which is an unfortunate incident. And as I mentioned, people didn't realize that the bridge was shaking for 5 minutes. They didn't communicate and they didn't move away from there, and they drowned in the river, which is Indrayani River, and now the rescue operation is underway.
Okay. We have visuals also coming in of Maharashtra Minister Girish Mahajan visiting this accident site. Those are the visuals on your TV screens there. Remember, the government has already ordered an investigation into the matter and has said that structural audits will be conducted on all the bridges over the in the state over the river, and this accident will be thoroughly investigated. This is the statement now coming in from Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, and he said action will be taken against those who are responsible. Nobody will be spared. We will try and get more details about this unfortunate tragedy in just a bit. More details that are coming in. Let's first also take a look at this report my colleague Rahul Kulkarni has got for us from the bridge where this accident took place. Take a look at this report.
जहाँ पे ये दुर्घटना हुई नज़दीक ही एक अस्पताल है, हम लोग अस्पताल में हैं और ये जनरल वार्ड है। जो प्रोटोकॉल होते हैं वो सब हम लोग उसकी पाबंदी, मतलब जो भी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होते हैं वो हम लोग उसकी पूरी जो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं। बावजूद इसके ये एक इंजर्ड है जो उस समय इस जो ब्रिज कोलैप्स हुआ वहाँ पे थे। तो मुझे सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए कि आपका नाम?
अमोल विष्णु बोले।
अमोल,
हम्म,
तो अभी आपकी क्या तबीयत, कैसी तबीयत है अमोल?
अभी ठीक है, थोड़ा
अच्छा,
ठीक रह रहा है।
तो आप उस जो ब्रिज है वहाँ पे कितने बजे गए थे? आपने क्या देखा वहाँ
3 बजे।
पे? अच्छा,
3:30 बजे गए थे उधर।
2:30-3 बजे आप गए। फिर
वही
वहाँ
टाइम
पे क्या हुआ?
फुल पब्लिक थी,
हाँ, पूरी
फुल
भीड़ जमी हुई
पब्लिक,
थी।
पूरे उधर उधर में भी पूरे पुल में भी भीड़ ज़्यादा थी।
हम्म,
तो पुल ज़्यादा था ना लोग, इसके लिए वो इधर उधर हिलता नहीं था।
हिल रहा था, ज्यादा भीड़ थी, उसकी वजह से पुल जो है वो हिल रहा था।
हाँ, हम बोले अरे चलो जल्दी जल्दी, उधर उधर कोई
सुन नहीं रहा।
सुन नहीं रहा। दूसरे दिन मर गया, मैं इधर से जा रहा हूँ, मैं इधर नहीं रोक रहा, ऐसे चलो चलो।
कोई आपकी बात सुन नहीं रहा था। आप
नहीं,
कह रहे
नहीं।
हैं कि वहाँ ज्यादा भीड़ थी।
भीड़ से ज़्यादा,
कितने लोग थे?
40-50 लोग रहे होगा।
40-50 लोग। और जब ये पुल जो है वो हिलने लगा तो उसके बाद कितने मिनट के बाद ये पुल कोलैप्स हुआ?
5 मिनट में होगा ना।
तो लगभग 5 मिनट जो है
5 मिनट
पुल
में
हिल रहा था।
सब लोग बोल रहे थे
हाँ,
पुल हिल रहा है, पुल हिल रहा है।
हाँ।
5 मिनट हो गए नीचे।
और फिर आप कहाँ नीचे चले गए?
बीच में गए थे,
आप भी नीचे
पानी, हाँ,
चले गए?
मैं पे पानी में गए थे।
आप भी पानी में गए?
हाँ, वो एंगल है ना,
हाँ,
वो एंगल को मेरा हाथ वैसे ही रहता, अटक गया था।
हाँ।
मैं अटक गया था, मैं जोर लगाया, ऊपर आया, वो पाइप है ना, उधर से वो पकड़ के बाहर निकल गए।
आप पाइप को पकड़ के बाहर
बाहर
आए।
आए।
तो आप कितने समय तक लटके रहे वहाँ पे?
15 मिनट रहेगा।
15 मिनट आप लटके रहे। और फिर ऊपर कैसे आया?
वो पाइप से आया, ऊपर आया।
All right, our big coverage on this story continues. Well, we will be getting you more from the accident site also. This was from the hospital where we understand injured have been taken. Number of people have been rescued so far, but we do understand there are several people who are feared to have drowned in the Indrayani river here in Pune, where this tragedy took place. 2 people have died after the bridge collapsed into the river. Indrayani river near Pune. We understand rescue operations are underway at the moment. My colleague Revati Ingve continues to be with us on the broadcast. She is getting us more from the ground. Revati, it's a popular tourist spot. We understand, were all those people who were at that time on the bridge all tourists? Were they locals as well?
So as I mentioned that this is a tourist spot, and after monsoons people gather there to just click selfies around the river, and it's a place where you can enjoy the greenery. But people there at the weekends especially, they just rush to one spot, and people were standing on the bridge as the witness, the people who witnessed this accident, they were also standing besides the bridge, as it's a big tourist spot. Kundamala is a very big tourist spot. People, more than 50 people were standing on the bridge, and later when the bridge collapsed, as the witness also mentioned that people didn't actually move when the bridge started shaking, but they were actually arguing with the persons there, people there, and then this mishap happened. There were more than 100 people around there, because the very first rescue operation was started by the villagers, because there was no help reached out to them until then, after which the incident was reported, after which the local authorities, NDRF and Pune Fire Brigade reached there, but there were more than 100 people around, and also of course there were local people also present there with the tourists.
What eyewitnesses also are saying at the moment is that the local politicians there should have ensured proper maintenance of the bridge. The bridge was built around 1991. This is what has been said by the locals, by the eyewitnesses who've seen this tragedy unfold. But nothing was done, no repair works were done, no safety audits are done of these bridges, and that is why this tragedy has taken place. And number of lives could have been saved. This is upon the politicians. They could have done something in a timely manner and could have ensured that no lives were lost. But unfortunately, this tragedy unfolded today. We are given to understand 2 people have died in the bridge collapse tragedy, and there are several who are feared drowned. However, rescue operations are taking place at a war footing here. Well, my colleague Rahul has also spoken to some of the eyewitnesses there. Let's listen in.
आपका पूरा नाम बताइए मुझे।
लतिका।
तो लतिका, आप कितने बजे गई थी उस स्पॉट पे?
हम 2:30 बजे के आसपास।
अच्छा, 2:30 बजे के आसपास। फिर क्या हुआ?
हम उधर जो मंदिर थे हम वहाँ घूम के आए, उसके बाद हम वापस आ रहे थे तो पुल बीच में से टूट गया।
आप पुल पे ही थी?
हाँ जी, उधर बाइकें भी बहुत चल रही थी और उधर कोई पुलिस वाला भी नहीं था, सब लोकल्स ने हेल्प करी है। पुलिस वाले कुछ नहीं करते हैं, सब लोकल्स ही हेल्प करते हैं।
उस ब्रिज पे, उस पुल पे कितने लोग थे?
50 आदमी होंगे कम से कम।
50?
पूरे ब्रिज पे, बहुत बड़ा ब्रिज है ना।
हाँ।
तो 50 बाइकें अलग थी, स्कूटी अलग थी।
तो उस ब्रिज पे बाइक भी थी और स्कूटी भी थी?
स्कूटी भी थी और वो ज़्यादा चौड़ा ब्रिज नहीं है, उधर से एक ही आदमी आ जा सकता है। उसमें बाइकें भी, स्कूटी भी, 2-2 लाइन, 3-3 लाइन बना रहे हैं। उसके जैसे
आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर के साथ गई थी?
हाँ जी।
कितने लोग थे आपके साथ में?
हम 3 जने थे, मैं, मम्मी और मेरे मामा। मेरी मम्मी अभी एडमिट है, उनका हाथ फ्रैक्चर हुआ है और मामा का भी पैर फ्रैक्चर हुआ है।
ओके, तो आप तीनों नीचे चले गए?
नहीं, मत जस्ट बाउंड्री पे बचे हैं।
अच्छा।
हमसे आगे वाले नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट वो बह गए पानी में।
आपके सामने?
हाँ जी।
कितने लोग बह गए आपके सामने आंखों के?
उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, टेंशन था उधर, उतना नहीं देखा।
अच्छा, तो आप कह रहे हैं कि आपके आंखों के सामने लोग बह गए
हाँ जी।
और आपने वो देखा,
हाँ जी।
लेकिन आप ये बता नहीं पा रहे कि कितने लोग बह गए। तो मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पे लोग चिल्ला भी रहे होंगे।
बहुत चिल्ला रहे थे।
अच्छा, मुझे ये कहा गया है कि जब वो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट थे तो ब्रिज थोड़ा हिलने लगा था 4-5 मिनट। अब जो दूसरे पेशेंट है वो कह रहे हैं कि 4-5 मिनट लगभग ब्रिज पूरा ऐसा हिल रहा था?
जब हम गए थे जब भी हिल रहा था।
अच्छा, तो ये आपको महसूस हुआ कि ब्रिज हिल रहा है?
हिल रहा था, वो पूरा वाइब्रेट हो रहा था।
All right, we have people saying this on record that they did fear something had gone wrong, and they could feel that the bridge was shaking, but they could do nothing at that point in time. Well, there are now political reactions also coming in. Let's also listen into what the Netas have to say on this unfortunate tragedy that has occurred near Pune.
सर्वच अशा पुलांचं स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट लवकरात लवकर करावं अशा प्रकारच्या सूचना देखील मी या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या नाही. आता याची चौकशी होईल आणि यामध्ये जे कोणी समजा चौकशी आणि ती सगळ्या गोष्टी बाहेर येतील आणि चौकशीमध्ये जे कोणी दोषी असतील, कारण लोकांचा मृत्यू झालेला आहे, त्यामुळे कुणालाही पाठीशी घालण्याचं काही कारण नाहीये.
The entire, all the hospitals teams are overworking and trying their best to give confidence to every family. By God's grace, we have a lot of people, but most are not hurt as badly as we thought. So we are all praying and trying our best to serve everybody.
Ma'am, how many agencies and what
Everybody is working. This is no time to make statements. Government will make an official statement.